we doing a, we doing a, we doing a. Get ready with me today. Gonna be learning about your name. That was ugly. Hi you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Yanni. Here we're gonna do a chit chat, get ready with me today. We're gonna be getting to know me today while I get ready to go run my errands. That's pretty much it. But I have a little bit that I need to get done, so just gonna be watching me get ready for that. Keep watching. We can just go ahead and get that started. I'm gonna put this little dirty makeup headband on that I wear when I'm doing my makeup. Okay, so I went ahead and did my eyebrows off camera like I normally do. So I feel like I never really told y'all like about me. I just like started. I didn't really let y'all know who I was or what kind of person I am. So today that's kind of just what I wanted to take time out and talk about. Since I've already done my eyebrows, the next thing I'll do is foundation. And I really switch it up depending on how like I'm feeling. Lately I've been using a little foundation brush that is from e.l.f. I don't always do this, but lately I've just been liking to do it. I don't know why. But anyway, my name is Yanni Tompkins. Tompkins, not Thompson, because a lot of people like to think that my name is Thompson and it's not. That's just not what it is. So yeah, I'm from Cincinnati, the nasty natty. I don't even think I should say that. Like, I don't even know why we're called the nasty natty, to be honest. I really don't. It's in Ohio, for anybody that doesn't know. I'm not gonna tell y'all what high school I went to because I just feel like that's too much information. But what I will tell y'all is that I played multiple sports in high school. I played volleyball, basketball, softball, and I would have done track, except I hated running. So yeah, out of those, softball was probably, it is my favorite one. However, I did enjoy playing volleyball a lot and basketball. I played basketball for the longest, believe it or not, and then like maybe a few years after is when I got into playing softball. My dad used to coach me pretty much. He didn't coach me. The only thing he didn't coach me in was volleyball. But basketball and softball for sure. The squad knows. Jada. But I said squad and then said one person. I really don't have a lot of friends. I do not have a lot of friends. I probably have like, not to be rude to anyone, but I have like probably like 3 like really close friends. Four. Okay, I have 4 really close friends. So that'd be Nadia, Jada, and Manny. And I had to say Jada twice because I have 2 friends named Jada. So I have to let them know that I shouted them out in this video, but because they're my friends, they probably have already watched. By the way, this is the Too Faced Born This Way concealer in the shade Chestnut. My favorite concealer. It gets the job done every time. Every time. I really did not need this much, but whatever. I really hope there's people that live above me. And don't get me wrong, I love my apartment, but I don't ever know what they're doing. And like, I don't like the fact that I can hear them. You can hear people like next to you, but above you is just, it's not the worst that I've ever heard, because I've been to other people's houses or apartments and I've been able to hear way too much, but I don't like being able to hear them at all, and I just do. Maybe they have kids. I also feel like I don't have kids. Maybe they have dogs, because I feel like I'd be able to hear the kids. I don't know about y'all, but I kind of like to let the concealer sit a little bit. Got that from Jackie Aina. Just feel like it helps better because like I crease so bad. Like I crease, if I don't let it sit and kind of like let this get into the skin a little bit, then it's kind of over for me and the rest of my makeup. Because if your eyes look bad, then the rest of your face looks bad. Anyway, yeah, I don't have any friends. I'm not single. I have a brother and a sister. I have an older sister and a younger brother. My mom's probably gonna be watching this and be like, girl, do not put my business on here, which I'm not going to, but she's really cool. They're both really cool. They're both really hardworking and made sure that I had like the easy, comfortable life. It wasn't that easy because they're really strict, but it was cool. Definitely don't have like a lot to complain about as far as that. You know, there's things that I wanted to do that they just couldn't allow me to do, so that's normal. But yeah, my mom's like really into like fashion and styling, so if y'all have any things, y'all have any interest in that, or if you're not good at styling yourself, you know, I'll give the word back to her so she can hook you up. And my dad, he just works really hard. I don't think I've ever met anybody that works harder. Like, honestly, I don't think I've ever met anybody that works harder than him. He's great. They're both great. My siblings are great too. My sister's birthday is coming, so turn up. Since I've like gotten older, a lot of people say I look like my mom. When I was young, they say I look like my dad, so maybe I look like more of a girl. And when I was young, I used to look like a little boy. I don't know if that's what they were getting at, but you know, it was cool. I can tell y'all how I got into makeup in high school. I don't really know like around what grade or what year I started getting into it, but all I remember basically is like after like basically my go-to point of like I have to learn how to do makeup is when my mom and my sister tried to do my makeup for this boy that I was dating. Like they tried to do my makeup for his prom. Usually my aunt would do my makeup, and I think she was busy. Maybe it was like last minute, I don't really remember, but she wasn't able to do it, and she was the one that usually did it. So my sister and my mom were basically like, you know, we can do it. Like if we tag team together, we probably both know enough to make it happen. And no. And I tell y'all, I probably could have cried, but I just wasn't gonna cry. I had to like kind of suck it up because I have to go. Like I can't ruin his prom. It was so bad. I mean, thanks y'all, but it was bad. My eyebrows. Granted, I had really good eyebrows. I don't have really terrible eyebrows right now, but I had really good eyebrows then, and I would just get them done, so they kind of were like, didn't need to be touched. They touched them. They touched them. My eyeshadow was not it. I don't like really light colors. I don't like really dark colors, and it was just not good. And what else? They probably be like, we will never do our makeup again, but I kind of don't need y'all to now, but still, like, they both had things like, I do this to myself all the time, I like it on myself, and they tried to do it on me and it didn't really work for me. Plus, if you're not used to doing makeup on other people, it's gonna be different. Like, it's gonna be different. Their face structure is different. You kind of have to like see what works for them, and that just, no. And then you know, like, same way boys know when they're about to get a bad haircut or when their barber messed up, the same thing girls know. Like, when you gotta look at something and keep trying to fix this, like, gosh, I had a couple of those looks that night and I was just not happy. The only good thing that I took from it, like, was that it wasn't my prom. So, and that's probably like selfish, but it was like, oh my gosh, like my aunt is gonna have to do my makeup because this is not it. This powder that I'm using is the Fenty setting powder in the shade Banana. Then on top of them like doing the makeup, I went to his family's house like to take pictures and stuff, and they're all just like, oh, she's so pretty, she's blah blah blah, y'all look so good. And I'm just like, y'all are lying, because man, it was bad. My eyebrows look so good. Y'all know people gotta hit these spots right here because some lines cannot be coming up later, and they don't. But yeah, after that, experience that I had. I really didn't have like my own makeup, so I would go into my mom's makeup and I would be like touching her stuff, like kind of just getting familiar with the stuff. And I didn't realize like that my dad was gonna like notice, because I would be like, either I would probably wake up late from school or I didn't have to be at school till later, and he would just be like, why do you look like that? And I'll be like, why do I look like what? And I think one time it was just like a baby doll or something, or maybe like a lot of the time he would like just avoid the conversation, but he'd be like, you look like a baby doll or something like that, like my skin was just too smooth. But I was using my mom's MAC foundation before I would go to school, and I would just take the big floofy brush and just like do that. And I told y'all my eyebrows were cool, so I never really had to touch them. But yeah, I know. My mom knew that I was going into her stuff because she could just like tell. I guess sometimes I would be like rushing. Once she started to be able to tell, I actually just ended up having to go to the store and kind of get what I thought would be okay, which I really didn't know that much. I was buying like drugstore makeup that wasn't really that great, but I tried to like learn how to do the best I could do with it. This was like before I realized I could just watch videos on how to do it. I was just kind of doing whatever like looked okay to me, which like the big thing to me was just making sure that I had foundation. I'm just gonna put a little bit where I did everywhere else, so this kind of matches. Okay, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so I was just buying a drugstore makeup, didn't really know what I was getting. Started playing with like eyeliner and stuff. I really wasn't like into doing anything else until like later. And then I went to college and I realized like, okay, this little simple is not gonna get the job done anymore. Like I need to really learn like how to do this other stuff. And I would just see other girls and I'd be like how are you doing that? But there was like things that people that I like looked up to, and I wanted to like learn how to do that stuff. I wanted to like basically get those looks that those girls had, and I did not know how to accomplish it. I didn't really know anybody else that knew how to accomplish it. Whenever I would ask somebody else how to, they didn't know. Okay, so I have these black Radiance palettes that I used to use a lot more so for the contour, as you can see that is gone. And I used to really like this highlighter over here, the highlight that they had. And so I'm gonna use that highlighter today because it was actually pretty good. Yeah, so after when I went to school, then that's kind of when I started like discovering the videos and stuff that I could watch. Actually really going to the makeup store and buying makeup, and then, you know, fast forward a little bit, applied for this makeup job. I did other people's makeup by now because I've just gotten like really good by doing my own, and I've applied to this makeup store, which was Dillard's. I ended up getting that job. I was very happy because I was like, basically that manager gave me like my first experience to like get involved, like really involved, to where I would be able to take that and go somewhere else. It wasn't my first job there, but it was like my first makeup job, and I was really excited. And that's just kind of where I started getting a lot of my makeup from. I started really playing with makeup and started there, and I was at Saks, at Filt'r. That's pretty much it, I think, for makeup. I got to a point where people kept asking me outside of work, and I didn't want to do it anymore because y'all are not paying me. And that was like a lot of my time and my stuff that I was buying. But I'm not gonna talk about that. I'm gonna do some eyeliner and put some lashes on. I'll be right back. We're back. I didn't really take my hair down, but I took the headbands off and stuff since I'm basically done with that stuff. And I just need to add a lip, I think. And this is my really small MAC Chestnut lip liner. I really hate doing my lips on camera, to be honest. I cannot find my lipstick from from Stila, and it's like my favorite one, and it's bothering me so bad because it's been missing for a little minute now. I'm just feeling like somebody stole it. That might still be the case, but I just really don't know where it's at, and it's bothering me. But somebody probably stole it. I just really need to find it because it's my favorite. I don't even feel cute. I really don't feel cute. I know I was kind of like starting to rant a little bit, so I really hope that y'all feel like y'all kind of got to know me a little bit better. Maybe some things that you like also that we have in common or anything. Like, dang, I did not want to do this. I wanted to do a red lip. Oh well, next time. I feel like I should add something to this because I don't know. I feel like I should add something. This lip, but it's a little jacked. Okay. Well, anyway, I think this is the finished look. I don't think I'm gonna add anything else, but yeah, let me know what y'all think. I know this is like really actually basic. It was supposed to be basic because this was supposed to be a quick video so that I could go do my running around, but it doesn't really seem like that happened. So do not forget to subscribe, like, comment, like. Bye.